Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create an image using AI tool. Here you can go and type Seedream AI. This one is the website that allows you to create any type of image. For example, create an image for modern flying taxi, and now scroll down. So you need to select image aspect ratio. I will recommend you this one for the landscape. Then scroll down. After that, click here generate button, and sometimes it will ask you complete this verification. So now it is automatically complete. And now let me scroll up. Here you can see image is generated. Now you can easily save this image into your laptop. After that you can open this image. That looks great.